friends, it's Sylvia, and today I'm here with the video to share a do-it-yourself recipe on making a bug spray. It's spring, so things are starting to warm up, flowers are starting to bloom, trees are forming leaves, and that means a lot more bugs. My family loves to take advantage of the warm weather. We love to go hiking together, go on picnics together, and play at the park together, but the only thing we don't like about that are the bugs, especially the girls and I. We just are like, ah! So luckily there is a bug spray recipe, and it's really easy. You know me, I like super simple, fast and easy. So all you need today is a bottle of citronella, purification, peppermint, and lemongrass. So those are the 4 oils you need. You'll also need some type of glass spray bottle. I am going to use a 2-ounce amber glass spray bottle, and I also labeled it as Bug Off. And a lot of you have been messaging me and asking me where I get the label maker. So I bought mine on Amazon, and it's called the Dymo Organizer Express, and it's really inexpensive, and it just brings back memories. It's very nostalgic. It reminds me of my childhood and making these labels. It was really fun. So you can get that at Amazon. You'll also need witch hazel and some distilled or filtered water. Ready to get started? All right, guys, hopefully I will not spill the water this time, but if I do, oh well. All right, first you're going to need 5 drops of peppermint, okay, 5 drops of lemongrass, okay, 5 drops of purification, and 5 drops of citronella. Citronella, can you see it? Yeah. Okay, and then what you'll do is you'll do a third of, here we go, witch hazel. I'm going to try not to spill. Okay, maybe even a quarter, 1/4 part of witch hazel, and then the rest with distilled water. Okay, and the witch hazel will bind all the oils together and also have your bug spray last longer. Just close it up and give it a good shake. Okay. Hey guys, sorry, I realized I had to go pick up my little one from school. So this is Claire, say hi. So anyways, I was saying, you mix up the spray, and you can spray it on yourself, not too much because it's the smell is pretty potent. You might also want to test a small area before you try. My kids were fine. I was fine with this on my body, but some people may be sensitive to lemongrass or peppermint, or you may choose not to spray it on your super little ones. I can post an alternative recipe for the really little ones. But anyways, you don't necessarily have to spray this on yourselves. You can also spray it around the area that you guys are at. So last summer we used this, and I sprayed it around the picnic tables when we were picnicking, and it worked just as effectively. So anyways, try this, spray it on, spray, and tell those bugs to bug off, and you'll be a happy mama, and your family will be happy too, bug free. Okay, see you guys next week. Bye.